Hi, to insert SIM card in your Poco F6, as a first step we would need to take any ejector you have in your house, which looks like that. And now let's find the SIM tray. So on this phone it is located on the bottom of it. Right here you can see the SIM tray and this little hole in it. So we would need to simply take the ejector and place it in this hole. Then slightly press so the slot will be slightly open now, and after that just pull it out using your nails. But my nail is almost broken, so I'm just gonna help myself with the help of this ejector like that. And now we can pull it out. So here we can find the SIM tray for the first SIM card and for the second. And now simply take your first SIM card, insert it right here in the correct position so it will just click. Let's try this out. I'm gonna slightly press on the SIM card so it will click here and won't fall out. Just like that. And now we will need to simply insert this tray back in the phone and close it securely. And after that, just unlock it, and if you have a PIN code on your SIM card, you'll need to enter it. And you should see those signal bars in the upper right corner indicating that the SIM card was inserted correctly. You can also go in the settings on your phone, go in the mobile networks, and here you would see your first SIM card information, and if yes, then everything is alright. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.